Welcome to Boundary Ford, located at 2502 50th Avenue in the Lloydminster Border City. Today we're checking out a beautiful brand new 2018 Ford Focus SE Hatchback. The exterior color is a white gold, and under the hood we have a 2.0 liter inline-4 engine, matched with a 6-speed automatic transmission. At the front we have our halogen high and low beam headlamps, as well as our daytime running lights, and a chrome insert around the outside of the grille. Over at the side, we have 16-inch aluminum wheels wrapping Continental tires, as well as our gold mirror caps and gold door handles to give it a color-matched look. At the rear, we have our hatch trunk and also our Focus and SE badging. We also have a backup camera to assist in any needs. Up top, we have our embedded defrosting rear windshield with a wiper blade attached. At the interior, we have many driver-friendly features including door storage, power windows, power adjustable mirrors, and power locks. Over in the cabin, we have our adjustable seat, as well as our automatic headlamp dial with our hatchback open. And on our steering wheel, on the left side, we have our information system trackpad, which displays on our cluster, and as well as our cruise control settings. And over on the right side, we have our hands-free and entertainment and media controls. As we look up, we have our rear view mirror, as well as our cabin light and another cabin light in the back. Here at the center console, we have our LCD display screen, which allows a clear sight of our backup camera display. And down below we have our media and entertainment area, which allows for radio, Sirius XM, phone connection, as well as AM and FM. And down below we have our dual climate control area, which allows heated seats in the driver and passenger area. And here at the center console, we have our console shifter, as well as our heated steering wheel button and our 12-volt adapter. And behind, we have our center console with our 2 cup holders for more storage and comfort. In the back, passengers can enjoy door storage, power windows, a 60/40 bench seating area, which can fit 3 passengers comfortably with tons of legroom, as well as headspace. And we do have more storage in the rear of the passenger seat and a little cubby hole down in the bottom of the center console. If you have any more questions or concerns, please feel free to contact our professional and friendly sales staff. We look forward to seeing you in store, and we thank you again for shopping with us here at Boundary Ford.